Welcome to the RhinoROC product installation video series. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of installing RhinoROC 4mm and 6mm fiber cement ceiling boards. RhinoROC 4mm and 6mm fiber cement boards are 100% asbestos-free, manufactured from cement, sand, cellulose fibers, and additives. RhinoROC is produced using high-grade raw materials, the latest HACCP manufacturing process, and autoclave technology. Our boards deliver superior durability, moisture resistance, and long-term performance in both indoor and outdoor environments. RhinoROC boards are designed to withstand rotting, swelling, and warping, making them ideal for ceilings exposed to fluctuating moisture levels. Always ensure proper PPE is worn during installation. Measuring. To ensure a neat installation, ceiling boards need to be laid out from the center of the room. Measure the width of the room to find the center and mark it with pencil. Now, measure 60 cm to either side to mark the edges of the center board. In this demonstration, we will install 3 rows. To find the width of the first row, we will measure the distance from the 60 cm mark to the wall. Next, we will measure the length of the room to determine the length of the offcut. The length of the offcut must be more than the distance between branderings. If using RhinoROC 4mm, fixed to timber brandering spaced at a maximum of 450mm centers. If using RhinoROC 6mm, fixed to timber brandering spaced at a maximum of 600mm centers. In this installation, we have determined that a 600mm offcut and a 2700mm mainboard will ensure a neat, staggered installation. Take these measurements to the board and mark them with the chalk line. Cutting. Using a utility knife, score the board on the chalk line. Boards must be handled by 2 people. When lifting the board, it is important to lift the board and not slide it to prevent surface scuffing. Carry the boards on the edge to prevent sagging or potential snapping. Snap the boards cleanly over a straight edge. Tip: before installing the boards, mark the center of the branderings against the wall. This will help with aligning the nails. Installation. Begin the installation from the corner of the room and ensure a 10mm expansion gap along the perimeter wall. Lift the board into position and secure the edges with 32mm clout nails. Once secure, mark the center of the branding across the board with a chalk line. Measure 150mm intervals for additional nails. Hammer in additional nails on the 150mm marks. Jointing. Once the board has been secured, we will prepare the RhinoROC Alu-Zinc M-strip or plastic H-strip. Cut the M-strip to the width of the board. Trim the edges of the M-strip at a 45-degree angle and flatten the center ridge with a hammer. Insert the M-strip on the end of the board. Proceed with installing the rest of the boards, placing M-strip on the edge and length of the boards. Do not neglect installing all the nails required to ensure the performance of the product. Final decoration. Once the board and strip installation is complete, you can finish off the installation with paint. RhinoROC offers a superior high-grade quality board that delivers moisture-resistant performance and long-lasting durability. RhinoROC, the strength to build your dreams.